What's up, America? This week I documented some work we did for our 2 newest clients. A big Clearview welcome to them. I hope you love what you do every day because it's honestly like vacation when you love your occupation. Some people that love what they do and I know would love the chance to help you. Mark at Fit Fitness, whether it's losing some weight, gaining some muscle, developing a better nutrition plan, whatever it is, you need to give him a call. I'll have his info linked in the description below. He'll help you get on track for the rest of your 2020. If you're in the San Antonio area and in need of some cosmetic enhancements, specifically in the mani-pedi department, contact my girlfriend Jalissa, who runs Total Nail Care. She would be so happy to add your appointment to her 2020 client calendar. Her info also in the description. And if you've got some debt that you need to get taken care of or want to get knocked out before tax season gets here, today is the day to get it done. You need to call Kiersten at Whalum Credit Repair. Info in the description. Anything you've got that's dirty and needs cleaned, you can call me. And as I've said, get out there and find something that you can leave looking better than you found it. We'll see you next week.
The cold nights just don't feel the same. Like you'll dive inside a cup, forget the world and drive real far. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. To leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down.